everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. Now, a lot of you guys are saying that, you're kind of mad at Walgreens. I understand what is going on. I've been going to the Walgreens Facebook page and I've just been reading all the complaints. I've been seeing groups where people are boycotting Walgreens. We will adjust. I'm complaining. I think it's a dumb thing, but I will still be doing deals even if I have to do multiple transactions. That's my fault. That's going to be their fault and not my fault. I don't know if they're just doing this to prevent people from using all their points around Christmas time. I don't know. I don't know if this will be temporary. I don't know, but I know a lot of you guys are saying you're going to stop shopping at Walgreens. They'll still be doing deals. I mean, if you guys think about it, how much points do you guys redeem when you go to Walgreens? Okay, that's something to think about. Like, a lot of deals, they don't let you redeem points because you won't get points. So you guys got to think about that. And then when you guys do redeem points, think of how much points you guys actually redeem. I usually redeem about $20 worth of points. But now I know if I need to redeem points, I just do fewer transactions, and I know some of your stores will only let you do 2 transactions. But you know what? I think with more people complaining, they might change a whole bunch of different rules. So be prepared. They might be doing some changes here and there. Just giving you guys a heads up. But it'll get better. It will get better. So the deals that I got at Walgreens is the Nexus deal. Now, please keep in mind, I get an employee discount, so I had to pay more, or I had to get more out of this deal to make this work. Now, I did 2 separate transactions, but we're just going to combine it into one. I had a Catalina where if you spend $25 or more, you guys will end up getting 10,000 points. So I did it with this deal because I thought this would be a great deal. Now, I had to buy something else to make it the $25 deal, but you guys, if you guys have that Catalina, you just need to buy 2 of these. So these were $13.89. You guys want to use 2 $5 off coupons that we got in today's paper. You guys would pay $17.98. You guys will also want to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, where you guys get 50 points is what I got for these. But then you guys don't want to pay with points, but you guys would get 10,000 points back, which is equivalent to $10. So you guys would get these for $7.98. Now I also had that spend 25, get 10,000 points. So that ends up being free. And then I also hit beauty, so that was an even better deal. So just giving you guys a heads up if you guys have that Catalina. Now the I can't speak all of a sudden, but the conditioner was 20 something bucks. The shampoo was 13 something. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that. I ended up getting the all laundry detergent. Now these were $2.99. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon that we got in today's paper. You guys would pay $1.99 for this. But then you guys can also submit your receipt to Savings Star for $1, making this just 99 cents. So I think that's a pretty good deal for all laundry detergent. And I always like trying to get the pods. I actually like these pods. I like the way they feel. So if you guys are interested in something like that, I ended up doing the Snickers deal. Now the Snickers deal, those coupons are still available if you guys haven't printed them off. Oh, I don't know why I'm just out of breath. I think I need something to drink while I do my videos because I just talk, and it's just like, ugh. But the Snickers deals were 50 cents. They're 2 for $1. You guys want to use a 50-cent off of 2 coupon that is available on coupons.com. You guys would just get these for $0.25 or just 50 cents, for both of them, which is a pretty good deal. Now, it is for the flavored Snickers. It's not for the normal stickers. So if you guys, make sure you guys get the correct product with the correct thing. I see so many people, like, using so many coupons, and it's like, you can only use one of those coupons. And when I follow these groups that I'm in, I ended up getting the Butterfinger deal. Now my store didn't have these labeled, and I'm like, are these? I checked the price in on the app, doesn't tell me, so I had to go find an employee. I'm like, are these the ones for $1.99? She's like, I'm not sure. Let's go check an ad. I'm like, why don't you just go to a computer and price check it? But she's like, whatever. I said, whatever. If it's gonna work, it's gonna work. Otherwise, she'll just override it because she told me it was $1.99. So these were $1.99, okay? There is a $2 off of 3 digital coupon that you guys want to use on the Walgreens website, okay? My coupon actually worked. If you guys have problems with your digital coupons, I have them physically scan my card. I do no longer enter my number anymore. Since I physically have them scan my card now, my digital coupons work better at that time. So just giving you guys a heads up. But you guys want to use that 2 off of 3 digital coupon. You guys would just get these for $3.97 or just $1.32 a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal because, you know, Halloween is right around the corner and these are great things to hand out for Halloween. And I love stocking up on candy because, you know, why pay so much? Why pay a lot for candy when you're going to give it away? So, giving you guys a heads up on that. And then I ended up doing the Scotch deal. Now the Scotch toilet paper and the paper towel coupons are no longer available anymore. They ended last night. I was able to print some of these coupons off last night because the rest of them I had were expired. So I printed these off last night and they didn't expire for a couple more days. So I'm like, sweet, I get to show you guys this deal in case you guys have these coupons. Now the Scotch paper towels and toilet paper are on sale for $5. Now they're also on sale for buy one, get one 50% off. So that's a pretty good deal. So one comes out to be $5, the other one comes out to be $2.50. You guys want to use two, you guys can combine this or you can buy 2 of these or 2 of those, whatever you guys want to do depending on what coupons you guys have. So you guys want to use 2 75-cent off coupons. You guys would end up getting both of these for just $6. That comes out to be $3 a piece. That comes out to be 50 cents a roll or like 25 cents a roll for toilet paper. So it's up to you guys what you guys want to do, but I've been kind of stocking up a lot on this stuff. Like I don't need as much paper products. That's one thing I have tons of, and it rarely goes bad unless you don't keep it in this dry place. But I really like stocking up on paper products. That's one thing I never get rid of. I don't donate it. I don't give it away. I don't sell it. I keep it for myself because my kid thinks toilet paper grows on trees. We use paper towels to clean up everything. So yes, but yeah, that was my haul. It wasn't the greatest. I will not be doing a second haul. So my total came to $23.61. Now please keep in mind I did do 2 separate transactions, but I did combine them into once. The one transaction I just bought the Nexus and I bought something else, but I did take that out of my total, and then I just bought everything else and I paid with points. So $23.61. I ended up getting 25,000 points. That comes out to be just $27. So you get 18,000 points for 20 bucks, and then I got, you know, $7 more than that. So, or yeah, $7. So that was 7,000 points more. So 25,000 points comes to $27. So this whole total, everything that I got, came to be a $3.39 moneymaker, which I was pretty excited. I really like the Nexus shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to try to do this deal again, or I'm going to see what's cheaper at Walmart or Target. But I really like this kind of shampoo and conditioner, and I'm going to stock up, especially with those coupons that we have. So I definitely want to do this deal again. But I hope you guys, you know, enjoy these type of videos. Walgreens has just been kind of sad. And what one of the employees told me at the store today, because I'm like, I was telling her, I says, hey, did you hear about the new point system? And she's like, no, because I go to one store on Sundays, and I go to another store on Tuesdays or the rest of the week. And the store that I go to on Sundays, I'm really starting to enjoy. You know, I really like the employees. I started going to that store back when my husband and I started moving in together, but I never couponed at that store until about a year and a half ago. But I was telling her, I'm like, hey, have you heard about, you know, the new point system. And she's like, no, her store doesn't communicate with them at all. So they have no idea how the points thing is going on. And she's like, that's just ridiculous. But she was saying that Walgreens has been cutting back on their deals, on their sales, because they are so understaffed. Which I'm like, I can kind of see that, but the thing is with Walgreens, and me and her were talking, is they don't need to have so much. If you guys go to that Walgreens that I was at, within a 5-mile span, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, there's about 5 of them all within a 5-mile span. It's ridiculous. And I'm like, that's the reason why Walgreens, you know, I don't know if they're hurting. She says, well, all Walgreens are going down, but I don't think that's possible. They probably will once the new point system things, but I don't feel like they need to have so many Walgreens stores. Like husband and I were talking about, everybody, everywhere you go, everybody is now hiring, but nobody's paying enough, which that's why nobody wants to work there, because they're not paying enough. But in my opinion, Walgreens, and I do see this, Walgreens is probably not having the greatest sales lately because they don't have enough employees working the stores. My husband's been working 12-hour shifts because they just have so much stuff, but they don't have enough people. So I think maybe that's why they're kind of cutting back on the sales, you know, just to try to get everything back to normal, which I don't know if that's true or not. But I don't think they need to I don't think they need to keep building Walgreens stores, in my opinion. They don't need to have one at every corner of Happy and Healthy. I know this is a little rant, but they don't need to have all these stores so close to each other. You know, I know a lot of you guys like hate it when you go to a Walgreens store and stuff's been cleared out. But I think if they didn't build so much, I think it would be easier for all of us. I think the point system would be easier for everybody, employees, ad-wise. But I'm really hoping that the ads get better at Walgreens. You know, it's a lot of people are saying it's not fun anymore. For me, it's like, what? I'm just trying to find you guys deals on Sundays. I mean, I don't even do my second hauls anymore because the deals have not been the greatest. But I'm hoping they get better as it gets better, but we will see. But yeah, but I know if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, just let me know. I'm here to help you guys. I'm learning just as much as you guys are on all these points things, but I'm here to help you guys. I hope you guys enjoy your day, and I will see you guys all later. Give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.